Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll and find the phone ringtone. As you can see, it is divided between the regular SIM card and eSIM, so it's up to you. I will show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter, it works the same. After tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the bottom we've got Add Ringtone, which means that we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, it should appear right here, and you can apply it as your ringtone. However, let's focus on those pre-installed ones. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and let me volume it down. This is basically how it works. So just tap on it and you will be able to check it. And let's pretend I want to set this attentive ringtone applied. I want to set it, so just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.